Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your Roblox controls a little bit bigger on iPhone. It's real easy and let me show you how. So basically you need to exit the Roblox game and then you need to go on settings. So as you can see here, the settings is here, and then you need to go on display and brightness and then scroll all the way down to view and then pick not standard but zoomed, and then you need to press set, that is on the top right, and use zoomed, and then your phone will restart. And simply when the phone will be restarted, I will show you the Roblox game. So as you can see here guys, I just restarted my phone and I just entered the Roblox game, and as you can see here the controls slightly bigger. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.